Hello friends, this is Chanchal Sarkar. About while loop. While loop syntax. While loop syntax. First, here initialization. Next, second, while condition. Next, block start, second bracket, statement here. Next, increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Next, close. So, while loop display 1 to 20. First, class declaration, solution, class static type 1 to 20 using while loop. Print class while loop. Second bracket, void main. First initialization. Syntax is first initialization. First, so int type, int I equals to 1. 1 start. Next, while condition. Condition I less than equals to 20. Next, second bracket open, statement. System dot out dot print I plus double quote for one gap. Next, here increment or decrement. So 1 to 20. So this time 1 increment. So I plus plus or I equal I plus 1, same. While loop close, void main bracket close, class close. So here while loop, first initialization, next while condition, next print. This time 1 increment up to 20. 1 to 20 is time increment. So output get 1 to dot 20.